Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Advent of Code Day 22. Glad to have you with me. I'm here in El Salvador, still for the rest of the 25 days, I suppose. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Today is another long, tiring day because all these days are long and tiring. Why Advent? I don't know. I do this to myself because I enjoy it so much. There's a minute to go. Yesterday's was hard, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed my video. It was very long. I think, yeah, it's a very good example of why you should unit test. I think it didn't occur to me until like way afterwards, and I was kind of writing bits and pieces of like unit testing, and I was like, actually, you got made it like more formalized of actual unit testing and stuff like manual unit testing and visual unit testing, which is no bueno. But oh well, it was fun. Um, wasn't even that hard. I mean, like conceptually, I don't think it was that hard, but it's just there's so many pitfalls, so many ways to make mistakes, and I don't know. It is what it is. But today we have this one. We have 20 seconds to go. Oh snap! Let me before I forget, because when it starts, I'm gonna get focused. So yeah, let's go. 10 seconds to go now. Wish me good luck. Let's end the year strong. Let's end the Advent of Code strong. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! That's not it. That's weird. What is the input? I'm so confused about what the initial input is. Okay. Okay, let's actually pseudo random things. Okay. It's just so hard to read. In from two screens, all these instructions. So I have to kind of place it in here. Okay. It's a num, right? I don't know why I'm so slow. Why is this crashing out? No. Oh, empty string. I don't know what the input is still. So I don't know what the... Is it just like an extra one? Okay, whatever. I thought I fixed, like... I don't know why there's an extra... Okay, whatever. Focus. Okay. Cognitive restart mode. Okay. Calculate T, right? And T 64. Naming is going to be off of max X. And the T. And then prune it. Oops. Just automatically type print. Right? What? Okay, I'm so confused. There are apparently a couple of ways to do this. Divide T by 32, round down, and then mix this into T, and then also prune. Okay, fine. Count 3 of T, right? Okay, but two over, okay, fine. So T, P for whatever, right? Okay. And then it is 64, 32, 248. Okay, and then a mix. What is a mix? Mix is A and B. We just return X. Oh, A to B. Okay, that's simple enough. Prune. Just return A mod once. 6. Okay. Okay, fine. I guess this is the actual input for small. I only print this. What I need to do is print calc. Wait, how does this work again? Okay, so this actually I've messed up, but okay, whatever. Okay, fine. I'm so slow. Okay, so then now we calc int of line by 64, calc 2 of this by 32, and then calc this by 1248. Is that right? Calc 2 is not defined because I am a dumbo. Is this right? I'm so confused. Oh no, that's with 1, 2, 3. So this we have. Nope, still wrong. How am I getting like instructions wrong? I'm like admin of bad reading this year. Like this is, come on, man. Let's calculate the result. How do you, like, you have 3 things. What does that mean? Why are these 3 things like not, like how, like is it one at a time? Like why is it, like what is, how do they relate with each other? Why is this reading so hard? Is this for like to, I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm just like struggling so hard on reading this year. Like trying to be precise and also just, you know, 123, was it 64, is it? Am I just like misunderstanding this? 7, 8, no, that's not even right? So we have to do. I don't know if this, I don't know how to write the code because I don't know how to interpret this. That's how silly this is, right? Like, I like this isn't even, like I feel like my choking point is reading it, and I'm not even reading slow. It's just that like this is so hard to understand. I'm just very frustrated, honestly, because like it's not even, I don't know. Like if I sucked at the algo, that's fine, it happens, you know. But if I suck at the reading, you know, maybe like at a certain point, you know, fool me 5 times, match, you know, shame on me, kind of thing, you know. Like what I don't know how to read this correctly, you know. Okay, so I got this one right, I guess. Oh, 2000, that's why. Oh, okay. I did not know how to read that. Okay, so maybe this is my fault. I don't know how to read anymore because I'm trying to go too fast. Okay. Okay. Maybe that. Maybe my the ChatGPT thing kind of made it so tough because I just feel like I'm rushing too much. What? 37623. I mean, people are already done, right? Probably. I'm not even in the top 1,000 today because I can't read. Okay, the price is just double one digit from you. Say what? From 1 to. Hopefully this is slightly harder. I just couldn't read today. I don't know. Like they should be more like okay. Focus, Larry. I'm so tilted today. Just so tired. But 1 digits of this. Okay. Social chain of 0, 6. Okay. I don't know. This is just so much reading. Okay. And I can't read apparently. I'm just so tilted. Okay, so 6, right? Highest price is 6. So it'd be nice to give money that it should sell at that time. Okay, so we tell. Okay, so we tell them a sequence of 4 numbers. Okay, so is that my initial thing? Nope. I need a better test thing. Okay, so this is part 2. So we have this thing, right? Maybe. Yeah, maybe some parts of it. Okay, so for 1, 2, 3, we have these numbers, and then we just want the 1 digit. Okay. Oh, so it's across all the different ones. Huh. You already finished this? I see. I thought it would be you solve for each one, so that's why. 9 minutes is one. I mean, I guess it's ChatGPT, but we're mostly done, like with the ChatGPT. So maybe this is. I don't know. I was so slow in part 1, I suppose. We're still not. Yeah. Okay, focus. Okay, so then now. Oops, no, we want the inputs. Okay, I see. They're only because they're all only single digits, so you can actually try all of them, right? Yeah. Okay. I see. How many times do you go? Is it up to 2,000? Generate 2,000. Okay. Okay. Fine. So right. So R is equal to or dot append x. Okay, and then now we have whatever R mod 10 for x mod 10 for x in R, right? Whatever, right? So then now we have the sequence, and then for this sequence, we just want to try all possibilities, right? That's fine. So 4 of them, it only goes up to 20 to the 4th power, right? So But we can actually do a little bit better. Okay, so the first one doesn't. Okay, how do I want to write it? This is just a lookup table, actually, not even I mean, you could propose it, but okay. And then now for how do I want to write this, right? Whatever, just index. Starting from 1, right? So then now, whatever, just write it. R sub I minus R sub I minus 1. Okay, so Q is equal to right? And then Q dot append. I don't know why or Q, but then now we can just say Q, right? If length of Q is greater than equal to 4, then this, we want to hash it, so tuple version of this. We want to say lookup, we can sell this is I think we need this to be a set, actually. Yeah, okay. Lookup is equal to also collection side counter. And then M lookup of this is equal to max of itself. Or whatever we just got, right? Which is R sub I, right? And then now, yeah, and for keys in M lookup of key is key. Lookup of key, we just add it to the max. And then that's it. And then yeah, print max lookup dot values. This is doing the part 1 again. Shouldn't be that. Maybe it is. But I don't think this isn't right for the test anyway. But because it's 10. That's actually okay. Print lookup real quick. Oh, actually, we do that too. Right? Okay, that is not a. Something is wrong. Oh, I did it wrong. Whoops. That's why it takes so long, actually. I was like, should be not, maybe it shouldn't be that fast, but it shouldn't be that long. Okay, 23 is right. So now I'll just wait till the other one is done. 1641. Oh. Why all these have zeros? Actually, what? Yeah. Oh, maybe we just add zeros on these. But okay, so part 1, well, the test is right. But okay, why? I thought I was done. Am I at least right? Yeah, I mean, that's right. Oh, no, that's right. So why is it wrong for the actual? I guess I never actually print out M. Okay, 1641 is not the right answer. What is the sequence that it thinks that it is? 0. 0 doesn't make sense. Maybe it does. I don't know. Zero doesn't make sense because maybe it does. I don't know. I don't get it. Am I doing it well? Doesn't make it any faster. I was hoping it would, but still 1641. Huh. I guess, I mean, this is the smart way, but apparently not the good way. Okay, fine. I don't want to brute force it. What am I doing wrong? Wah. I mean, you got part one way, right? So it should be not that bad. And Oh, no, that's fine. Okay, I thought that was it. I mean, it would have been great actually, because I don't have to do it. But no, we mod here, so that should be fine, right? I don't know anymore. This is so not hard, Larry. Why are you so struggling? I guess this is just this year. Like, I don't even know how to debug with this. 2 -110. It sounds pretty okay by me. I don't know what that sounds about. Hopefully nothing too bad. I guess I can verify whatever, but key is equal to, what is it? -2 1 -1 3 print m lookup of key. I don't know if that works. I just want to, nope, 779, that is what it thinks. Am I high or am I low? Oh, it only gets it the first time. So if it sees it again, it doesn't max. So actually, okay. So it has to be, and oh, that is, okay, fine. I misunderstood. I mean, I didn't misunderstand it, but yeah, okay. But but I see why that would change the answer. Not really slick today, but that is such a bad misunderstanding. Because I had it too. Like I don't know the exact timing. Maybe we could watch the tape or something. But I had it for so long. But I just kind of misunderstood it by one thing. Or I don't know if I kind of misunderstood. Well, I don't know that I just read that. I mean, I think I read it, but I didn't understand, or like I didn't parse it the first time thing. Because I definitely obviously didn't do it the first time thing, even though I read it and I understood it, but I kind of just kept going. That didn't make sense. Oh well. Yeah. Okay. Let's go over the code. I don't know that. Oops. There's that much to go over. Here are my times in case you're curious for a quick second. This year just not good. Not good. I'm gonna blame it on the fact I'm traveling, but still, honestly, just not great. Like today is just, this particular one's not great. But in any case, yeah. I mean, some of it's just reading. I struggle with the reading. I missed the 2000 part thing. I don't know. Anytime you have to debug, your GG well played. And part one was just implementation. I don't think there's anything that tricky about it. As long as you read it correctly. I think one thing that could have been better is that just making sure that they meant like in sequence, like the secret number becomes this number and then it goes to the next thing, like almost like a flow chart. I didn't quite, I don't know, when you're debugging and you're trying to understand it, it didn't feel very very precise. But I don't know. And part two, I don't know. I mean, I got it correctly, but yeah. The idea is just having a lookup table, right? On the 4 pairs. The thing is that from negative 10 to positive 10, it just only goes up to 21, right? 21 distinct possibilities. So 21 times 4 is, actually, I don't know what that is. Did I say 21 times 4? I meant 21 to the 4th power, sorry. It's only 194,000, and that should be good enough. The thing that I should have done is that, yeah, you have to, so the first time you see it for a given sequence, that is it, right? So I didn't handle that part, but otherwise it is just looking at the last 4 numbers. I actually wrote this in a terrible way as well. You probably could have just done maybe to do, you could use a deck, but I didn't know that you know, in a popular. So something like this, right? And then this would be pretty straightforward, and this would be just tuple of Q. And that only does 4 elements, so that's fine, right? I should have maybe did some timing tests on it, and so that I could compare the before and after. I don't know. Still seems like let me actually just add a time now. I don't know. I feel like the algorithm I got 4 seconds is pretty fast, but maybe it just felt long. I don't know if that's true. Or like, let's keep it to the. I guess like. Whatever, 4 seconds would have been is pretty quick though. I think this is faster than the other one though, right? Yeah, 4 seconds. I'm curious actually. Okay, fine. Let's just go back to it real quick. I also had a typo here that was pretty bad for debugging, but the idea I had immediately. Pretty much. I don't know if it came out on the video. Maybe it wasn't that immediate, but it felt immediate. So I guess it didn't change that much. It only felt immediate because, or it didn't look immediate, if that's the case, is because I would say, because most of the time was taken on reading. But yeah, after that, you just basically look at the last 4, there's only 194 whatever things, and then this is just merging it, right? So actually, I wonder if I could just do like lookup, do mlookup. That feels like a thing that could happen, but I don't know. Would that work? I mean, it doesn't have to be faster, but just fewer things to type for me in the future. Actually, it's slower even. That's actually, I don't know why that is. Actually, so okay, fine. But yeah. And at the end, I mean, I have some print statements for debugging, but yeah, it's just getting the max value, and that's it, right? So it's just a hash table, so it should have been straightforward, but I don't know. When you're having the year, advent of code year, my year has been okay. But advent of code year, it is what it is. But yeah, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I'm so tired, I'm gonna pass out. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Yeah, I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.